The quiz widget allows you to import a quiz to be either embedded in the page or used as a link. To add a quiz, I need to drag in a quiz widget, then in the settings option, I click Import Quiz. Frog Drive will then open and I can see my quizzes and school quizzes, so I'm not only limited to the ones I've created. If a school has Frog Play, I'll also see Frog Play quizzes. Frog Play is a quiz content Frog has commissioned from teaching professionals and examiners. I also have community quizzes here made by teachers sharing their resources. Using the filters and search options, I can quickly identify a quiz to use or make a new one. I can view the quiz questions so I can ensure I'm happy, and if I want to make a change, when the quiz is highlighted, I can click the action cog and make a duplicate. As you can see, even through the widget I have a lot of control. Once I'm happy with the quiz, I click the Use button. This adds the quiz to the widget in the page. Here I can add instructions and choose how the widget will appear. Default gives me a quiz space which shows the instructions and includes a launch button. App link gives me a direct link to the quiz which matches the app and site link buttons. And button view gives me a blue button to click on. Clicking on any one of these options launches the quiz in its own Frog application ready for me to use. When I close this quiz down, you can see that my site remains in place behind it. There is another option which allows you to embed the quiz within the page. This keeps the quiz as part of the same site and doesn't run it in full screen. Embedding is useful when you are adding learning material around the quiz. Having the quiz widget in your site building tools gives you two options in how you can use it. You could assemble a site or a page, then use the assign functions to set the quiz as a homework. All the results from the quizzes will then go into Assignment Manager. Alternatively, if you just want students to take part in the quiz without it being assigned, the results will appear in the Data Viewer, which you can find in the site's menu. The results show you each student who attempted the quiz, the number of attempts, and their score.